A little bit of all of it. I've bought those $300 lots and sold them for 3,900. And I found that the same amount of, and that was great. It got me started, got the cash flow coming in. I still have some of those lots left. I've done the Costilla County where we buy, a package of 17 of them for 1,100 each and sell them for 8,900 each. I feel like my children's children will end up with some of that land because I'll take it back and we'll resell it. But it all builds on one thing. My first one started at $285 purchase price, turned into $5,000. So they all compound. And then I started buying the $30,000 lots and selling them for 90. So they all do start to compound. Some of those $30,000 lots, I didn't have all the money for. So I go in with the partner and, give them 30% of the profit after expenses, 30% of the actual net profit. And then I found people that said, hey, let me know when you get another one of those. And I'll tell them, look, I'm looking for a debt partner on that. So we'll do the deal and I'll get them paid off as soon as possible. So because I don't want to have a lot of debt, but I know there's ways to set it up too, where we talked about, Lewis said it, I said it, there's those people that have 5,000, 12,000, contact the securities attorney and set it up as a fund where you have multiple people and you're paying, interest each month, or find that one person that's got $200,000 that doesn't want to, see it or hear or talk about it for the next 2 years. And they just want you to pay them interest. So you just got to kind of find the people and figure out a way to put them into a deal type.